A very, very warm welcome here today to the Sheraton to the fourth Travel and Technology Solutions Conference that ETAG has run. I'm Robin Worsnop, I'm chair of ETAG, and well, my day job is being chief executive at Rabbi's Small Group Tours. Today, I believe there's no plans on any, I haven't been instructed about this, but I don't believe they're having any fire escape plans, so if there are, there's arrows, we get out of the building. Toilets are out that way. And if you, those of you, of course, who will be tweeting, the hashtag is there, Tech Tourism 2014. So please tweet away. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Scottish Enterprise for sponsoring this event. Without their support, this wouldn't happen. And it's part of their program of supporting the tourism sector and ETAG and developing the growth of technology and the uptake of its use across all businesses in the sector. And it's a great opportunity to bring together the communities of tourism and technologists in one event. And I think it's been a really successful conference over the last few years, just doing that, introducing different suppliers to some of the problems that the travel industry, the tourism industry might face in dealing with customer experiences or systems within their organizations, and joining them up and finding solutions that will benefit both. So there's a number of exhibitors today as well, and you get a chance to network. The timetable is very tight. There's a lot of speakers today. So I think most of the networking will have to take place when we finish up at lunchtime, for those of you who want to get around exhibitors. The technology program that ETAG's been running has been incredibly successful and an incredible uptake. Over 2,500 delegates have attended various Tech Tuesdays and other technology events that Kathy organizes at Scottish Enterprise on behalf of ETAG. And we see this as a crucial part of the development of the offer as a destination of Edinburgh. So our recent conference touched on 4 key tourism growth areas for Edinburgh: festivals and events, accommodation, visitor attractions, and business tourism. And technology was a vital ingredient in all of their developments. I just wanted to say also that Edinburgh is getting some attention as a bit of a technological centre as well. Recently voted or achieved a rating as a Google E-Town Award, recognizing it itself as businesses are most actively embracing the web. So that's quite an accolade, and we have a Google speaker today. Maybe you can tell us more about that. And best broadband connected city in the UK, voted by Santander. And also, just to say today that the Edinburgh Council has been very, very engaged around a connected capital programme, and you've heard about this at the previous conferences. It's very exciting to announce, well, to say that by this summer, there's going to be free outdoor Wi-Fi access across the city. I can't get into the details. Apparently it's all under contract at the moment, but I've been informed that that will be in place. There's going to be free Wi-Fi on the tram and on the buses. And there's also a scheme for all businesses in the city, which is the Broadband Connection Voucher Scheme. Broadband Connection Voucher Scheme is a grant scheme where you can, as a business, can apply for the installation costs of putting high superfast broadband into your business. And that's available until, I believe, March 2015, thanks, Steve. And the Connected Capital team, and Steve, and the guy in the yellow tie, he's the only guy with a yellow tie on, Steve is very interested in talking to anybody interested in how to make best use of this free Wi-Fi across the city, and how we capitalize on that and develop visitor experiences around that for all our international visitors, because the cost of as you know, using a mobile network from abroad inhibits their use of mobile technology, but hopefully with this Wi-Fi, they will be able to engage more with real-time solutions and opportunities for your businesses. So Steve's keen to hear from anybody and see how we can develop that proposition further. Now, I'm going to stop now because I've got so many great speakers today for you to listen to and learn from. And my first one is Alex Bainbridge. Alex is, I think I've gathered from meeting him last night, is one of these rare people. He's a technologist and a writer at the same time. I often didn't think they could do the same things at the same time. And Alex both is an authoritative writer in terms of technology and writing about specialist tour operators, tours and activities. But he also runs a very successful business developing solutions and web-based bookings for specialist niche tour operators. So, and he also, understanding, moderates Small Fish, Big Ocean, a community that welcomes small tour operators and niche travel agents to come and discuss e-commerce issues. So I'm going to hand over to Alex and listen to his wisdom. Thank you.